Happy Thursday, writers. I just have to say, I have been so impressed with your writing this week. On Monday, we wrote about a time when we felt proud. On Tuesday, you wrote about a time when you made a mistake. Yesterday, you wrote about a time when you felt nervous or scared, and you got to learn about the time I went bungee jumping and I was very, very, very scared and very nervous. And today we're going to write about a time when we felt confused. I don't know about you, but I have felt confused so many different times in my life. And that's going to be our focus today. So first, I'm going to put my name and date on the top. It's December 3rd, 2020. And with distance learning, I've had so many moments where I'm confused. But I was just thinking about this summer, how I was really confused. One day I was driving over to my friend's house. She lives in Minneapolis, and I was going to help her do yard work in her yard because she has a house and her yard was kind of a mess. And I like being outside, so I was going to go over, and I couldn't get through a street, and I was really confused about it. I had to drive a different way, and then I realized after what was going on. So I'm going to write about that. I'm going to say feeling confused, driving to Madeline's. Okay. Feeling confused when driving to Madeline's. So I'll put that here. This is the event. This is what I'm writing about. So in the beginning, I was driving my car to my friend Madeline's house. So that's what happened in the beginning. I'm going to change the slide. There we go. It takes a few tries. And then I'm going to add a detail. Some of you haven't been doing this. Please add a little extra detail. So what I mean is you're just giving a little more information about the beginning. So I'm going to say, I was going to help her fix up her messy yard. I was going to help her fix up her messy yard. Okay. I was trying to drive through an intersection. So an intersection is like if you're in the car or if you're on a walk, it's when two streets like cross each other. So usually at an intersection, there's like a stoplight. I was trying to drive through an intersection, but I could not. Okay, so I'm going to put that. I'm going to add in the middle. In the middle, I was trying to drive through an intersection, but I could not. I'm going to add an extra detail. I was confused and had to turn my car around and take a different way. Okay, and then at the end, I made it to Madeline's and we turned on the news. Actually, you know what? She turned it on her TV. So we turned on the news. People were protesting the murder. Were protesting. I'm going to say people were protesting for Black Lives Matter. And I didn't know. Well, they were protesting. So that's extra information, right? I turned on the news. People were protesting for Black Lives Matter, and the street I was trying to turn on was shut down. So I realized what happened at that point, and I was not confused anymore. All right, writers. So you are going to write about a time when you felt confused. And I have a feeling you have lots of different ideas for this because there have been lots of confusing moments in the last year. Thinking about, gosh, you might have been confused when school shut down. You might have been confused about the teachers' strike last year. You might be confused about coronavirus or many different things. So I'm looking forward to seeing what you write. Please make sure you write at least one sentence per seed. So that will be 6 sentences, starting with the beginning, then the middle, and of course the end.